We're now behind the waterfall. So we just saw a bear. Hi, can I get sausage and egg English muffin?
Okay.
And small French vanilla cappuccino, please.
Okay.
And that's everything.
And that will be $7.85.
Thank you. Good morning. Today we're going to go on a hike behind the waterfall. It should be pretty cool. It's called Mole Falls, Wellsgrave Park, British Columbia, Canada. But first, I'm gonna have a little bite of my breakfast sandwich from Tim Hortons. And we'll get on our way. Okay, I'm at the trailhead. This parking lot is usually jam-packed, which is why I came so early. There is one other vehicle here. They're just ahead of me a little bit, but it's 7:30 on a Friday. And like I said, this parking lot gets jam-packed, so we got here at a good time. So let's head on down the trail. As you can see here, Mole Falls Trail is 2.9 kilometers to Mole Falls. Make sure you're in bear country, make lots of noise. Bear spray. I got my bear spray. I always hike with my bear spray. Some signs letting you know some things. Keep your dogs on the leash, no smoking. Welcome to Mole Falls, all that good stuff. BC Parks. Tells you some bear watching etiquette. Bats live here. Brush your boots. They're really worried about invasive species, so. But yeah. Over there's an outhouse if you gotta take a dump. Last place to take a dump. Oh, it's got a closed sign on it, so if you gotta take a dump, you're out of luck. We're going the right way. Old trail that leads up to the highway. There used to be an old trail that came down from the highway before they built the parking lot. But they got tired of all the people parking on the road. Too many tourists, so then they made that parking lot that we saw earlier and built a new trail. Now we're about to hang a left. Mole Falls, 1 kilometer or 15 minutes. Shh, can you hear that? You can hear the waterfall. We're getting close. You can really hear the waterfall. Can't see it yet, but we're getting real close. B1 before we get to the main one. So we just saw a bear. Just a little black bear. It wasn't bothering anybody. I don't know if I got very good footage of it, but there was one. So you always got to be careful, make lots of noise, all that good stuff, because we are in their habitat, their home. So you always got to be respectful of the bears. Waterfalls. This is some info about it. Feel free to pause and read if you want. Also, sadly, there's no drones in provincial parks, so I can't show you any drone footage, which sucks because it would be awesome. But here's the top of Mole Falls. And we're gonna head right down there and then hopefully walk under the waterfalls. Stay tuned.
Not the back then. Yeah, the picture of the Mississippi Wall.
Put in a nice new railing and a nice new ladder all the way down to the falls, which is nice because before they didn't have any of that and it was kind of rough to get down, but it's a lot better now. Yeah, having these stairs is super nice to get down here. Gets a little slippery on the wooden stairs, so you gotta be a little bit careful. It's really pouring. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it behind the falls today. We're gonna try though. You're probably not gonna be able to hear me very well going on in because the waterfalls are so strong and loud. But there it is, Mole Falls. View up top over there, looking down. It's amazing the power of water. There's a little rainbow over there. We're now behind the waterfall. Well, I lost my hat. I got it back. But we made it under the waterfall. Pretty awesome. I'm absolutely soaking wet. Feet, everything, soaking wet. But totally worth it. Totally worth it. But I'm gonna take a few more pictures and we're gonna head up and look at it from a different direction and see what we can find. Thanks for tagging along. Keep watching. Now for the steep climb out. Which I'm not looking forward to. It's pretty steep up there. And this last little bit's slippery. And I'm a little exhausted. Ugh. That's a long staircase. That's only half of it. $80, $81, $82, $83, $84, $85, $86. 86 stairs. Holy moly, I'm out of shape. Haven't done much filming on the way back because I'm exhausted. It's pretty slow going on the way back. I'm out of shape. I know I say that a lot and I don't really do anything about it, but yeah, I'm out of shape. But we're just about over halfway there, back to the car. It's been awesome. Kind of wish I had, like, I don't know, a helicopter to get me out of there. But totally worth it. It's amazing to see, and we got to go behind the waterfall, so that's pretty cool. But I'll catch up back up with you in a couple minutes when we get back to the car. So we made it back and it's 9:30, so it was a 2-hour round trip including hanging out, and the parking lot's already starting to fill out compared to when we were here this morning. When we were here this morning there was just me and one other vehicle, so it's starting to fill out, and it's only 9:30, so it's gonna get a lot busier later. But successful journey. Only one bear sighting, so that's cool. We made it. Oh, it's already getting hot out. Very hot out. But we made it. Thanks for following along with me. That was Mole Falls. Oh, air conditioner's kicking on. Hot as heck out there. But thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure to like, follow, subscribe. Follow the Facebook at About Adventures if you're looking for more of the pictures. Pictures will be posted there. Make sure to follow. Catch me on the next one. I'll see you guys soon.